Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to set a default query in Slate. So this is a great use case if there are exports or filters that you add in almost every time you build a query. For example, excluding test records from your results is a common build and it's going to be the base of our example today. So just to start, I'm going to show you that if I begin a quick query, it is completely blank in this instance without any exports or filters. So we're going to begin in Queries and click on New Query. Enter the name Default, and then decide if you'd like this to be a personal resource where you do not share it, or a team resource where you do share it. Place this into a folder, Templates, which you may need to create. And for today, we're going to be working from a person base. And now, we're going to add in our Not In Test Record tag. So start a subquery filter, join to tags, filter to name, select the tag name, and then change the aggregate to not exists. And now you can see, if I go ahead and start a new quick query, the tag that I just built is automatically applied. I can still change it if it's not relevant to this query, but it gives me a solid jumping off point to avoid repetitive builds. Default queries work on all configurable join spaces and can include any number of exports or filters. The only limitation is you can only have one that is shared per base. I hope that this helps to save you time in your query builds. The Parish Group is a Slate Gold partner and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or give us a call at 828-505-3000.